Hello everyone, today I'm going to start a series on Python programming. So Python is widely used by all the people and in all the spheres, whether it is a web development, machine learning applications, artificial intelligence, data analytics and many more. Now the question arises why Python is being so popular. It is used by all the tech giant companies like Google, Yahoo, Instagram, Uber, and everyone is tends to learn it because it is really an easy language. Because the syntax is so simple, even a person who is really new to the programming world, he or she can easily learn in 2 to 3 months. Secondly, it is a dynamically typed language. Now, what is a dynamically typed language? It means we need not to define a data type along with the variable. Whereas in the other languages, we need to define the data type with a variable name. Thirdly, it consists of multiple libraries and frameworks, which makes it more efficient because we need not to write the whole code from scratch. Fourthly, it is an interpreter language. What do you mean by interpreted? Means the compiler will execute the code line by line. So it is really easy to identify any error or bug inside the code. Lastly, it has a mature and supportive Python community. How? Because it is widely used by all the developers, programmers, students, teachers, testers. So they made one community where the beginners can ask questions and they provide them and elaborate answers. So this is the beauty of Python program. So I really want everyone to learn Python for a better future. So thank you everyone. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel.